guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are in Venice. So we are going to take you on the Venice walking tour. I came with my travel partner here, and we are very excited to see what Venice has to show us. So we are staying in this hotel, and it is right on the water here, and that is the window of my room where you can just see the water from your window. There's no taxis or cars in Venice Island, so it can be really challenging to take your luggage from train station to your hotel. So we decided to stay near train station. You can see this very cute gondola is right outside my hotel, and it's showing the tariff or the price of gondola is 90 euro. But we are going to Rialto Bridge and we'll take the gondola from there. So Rialto Bridge is about 30-minute walk from here, and when we go, there's a lot of shopping and a lot of cafes to eat. We can try different dishes and the view. So this is Rialto Bridge, and you come over here and see this view. This is Grand Canal, and you can see all the cute gondolas, the restaurants. This is the heart of Venice. Found the gondola here, and they are asking cash of 90 euros, so we don't have cash. So we are going to now take the change there. There's a change ATM machine is right there. So John went to take the cash. Then we will enjoy a 30-minute of gondola ride. Are you enjoying the gondola ride?
Yeah.
This is very cute gondola. They look pretty cute, and the pictures comes really good in that. But honestly, it's, in my opinion, it's not worth 90 euro. They are like 30 minutes ride usually, but now today he said it's just 20 minutes. That's taking photo. It was a very amazing gondola ride. I think it's almost done because we are on the Rialto Bridge here again. So Rialto Bridge is the oldest bridge, built in 16th century. So how many total? 400 bridge here, right? So he said there's almost 400 bridge in Venice. We are going toward Piazza San Marco now, which is the highlight of Venice Island, and just strolling through the narrow alleys of Venice, and it's so beautiful here. I think I would like to take some of these magnets for my fridge. They look so cute. So they are 1 for 3 and 2 for 5. And these masks are also something special about Venice. This place is Piazza San Marco, and you can go see their Saint Mark Basilica, which is a church, and then you can see their Doge Palace. But you need to book the ticket in advance, and we don't have any ticket, and the line is huge and it's so hot right now, so we are not going in there, but we'll just see that from outside. Right, this is the almost other end of the Venice, and yeah, it looks like we almost cover all of the Venice in just half day or maybe 1 day.
I think there's still a lot to go the other way.
Other side we are going for the sunset after this. We'll go hotel first because it's very hot. I want to take a little rest. We went to check the public transport for Burano. They say Burano. So it was for €9.50 for going per person, €9.50 for coming back. So it's best to take the guided tour, which is there says 25. I think further it says 35. So whatever it is, that is the cheapest one. Hi. It says back there you have guided tour Murano Burano.
Not for today. It's finished.
For tomorrow.
For tomorrow, yes. The
How?
tour is a 4.5 hour tour, 4 hours and 30 minutes, and you stay 1 hour in each island, 1 hour in Murano.
So there's somebody
1 hour in Burano, 1 hour in Torcello.
somebody walks us around the island.
Yes.
Someone will be with us for the guide.
Allora, in Murano you stay with the guide and go to see the glass factory.
Okay.
The other two islands, free time for about 1 hour.
Okay.
Free time.
And they'll come back. They will take us back here.
Start at 9:30, 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 2:30 the last one.
Okay.
The price is 25 each person.
We should do 10.
10 and comes back at 2.
Yeah, 2:30.
10 o'clock, you come back here at 2:30, yes.
And then we have to take the train.
Yeah.
So
2? 10 o'clock.
Yeah. So where we have to meet?
I'll show you now.
Okay. So we can pay by card, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Allora, 10 o'clock,
Okay.
You needed to go 15 before. The name is Ali Laguna. Do you see the trees? Yeah. Just in front of the trees.
So when in Italy, you need to try gelato. So we are going to get some gelato now. Tiramisu. It's cheesecake. How much? I wanna try pistachio cannoli.
Yes. One?
Oh, is that too big? Do you have small one?
No. I have just this.
Do you wanna share? Okay, so how much is that?
Three.
Three? Okay, you accept
No,
card?
guarda, 3 o 350? Oh, 350. 350.
350? Okay, one. Do a little bag.
Un'altra te ne bevi?
So we came home before and took nap for some time, and now we are going to see the sunset. Sunset, I think here, as far as I research, it says it's somewhere at Academia Bridge, which is almost 30-minute walk from here. This is Academia Bridge, and the view from here is absolutely stunning. You should definitely visit here for sunset. I think this is like my favorite point of Venice for today. Pesto. Excuse me. Alright, I got my pesto. Here's the meatball. And we're gonna enjoy this. Buon appetito.